going to review the Sapporo electronic wine opener. So it comes with the actual body, the electric wine opener, and this little foil opener. It's supposed to open the top here, which I'll demonstrate in a second, and then a charging cord, which just uses a USB outlet. So you'll just apply that to like an Apple charger or something that takes the USB, and then the micro USB will go into here and then insert there. So when you first get this, you want to charge this for at least an hour. So let me show you what it looks like charging. Okay, so right now it's charging and the light will stay blue. And so when it's done charging, it'll just turn off. So I'm going to unplug this right now. Okay, so let's try this out. So I have my wine, Freak Show, which I have not tried yet, so I'm excited to try it. So I'm going to take this part, I'm going to have these two go over the side here, spin it around, and it takes off the foil like that. That was really cool. I'd never used one before. That was very easy. Okay, so now let's put this to use. There's the cork. There it is. That barely took any time. Okay, so now I'm going to take it out. So this is where you'll press the up button for it to go back down, and you can retrieve your cork. That was really easy. I'm actually pretty impressed because I've never used one, and that was just actually kind of fun to use as well, as you saw. Another thing I liked was this was very easy to use. I have small hands, and it was easy to grasp. I really like the design of this. It's very minimal. I'm going more into minimal design, and I really liked this. And it was really lightweight. So now after we've done that, let's try this wine. Pretty good.